Ever feel like your anxiety is controlling your life and you just need a break? What if I told you that picking up a new hobby could be the key to transforming your anxiety into a source of joy and relaxation? Today, we're exploring anxiety-friendly hobbies that can change your life. Ready to find your new passion? Let's get started. 1. Gardening. Nurture your peace. Gardening is a therapeutic hobby that connects you with nature. It provides a sense of accomplishment as you nurture plants and watch them grow. Here's why gardening is great for anxiety. 1. Stress relief. Being outdoors and working with your hands can reduce stress and promote relaxation. 2. Mindfulness. Gardening requires focus on the present moment, which can help take your mind off anxious thoughts. 3. Physical activity. Digging, planting, and weeding provide gentle physical exercise, which releases endorphins and boosts mood. Start small with a few potted plants or herbs. As you gain confidence, you can expand to a larger garden. Enjoy the process and let gardening become your peaceful retreat. Remember, it's not about having the perfect garden, it's about finding joy and tranquility in the act of gardening itself. 2. Art and crafting. Express your creativity. Engaging in artistic activities like painting, drawing, or crafting can be incredibly soothing. Here's how art can help with anxiety. 1. Self-expression. Art allows you to express your emotions and thoughts creatively, providing an outlet for anxiety. 2. Focus. Concentrating on a creative project can distract you from anxious feelings and provide a sense of accomplishment. 3. Relaxation. The repetitive motions involved in activities like knitting, crocheting, or coloring can be meditative and calming. You don't need to be an expert to benefit from art. Start with simple projects and let your creativity flow. The goal is to enjoy the process and find relaxation through expression. Joining a local art class or online community can also provide additional support and inspiration. 3. Reading. Escape into different worlds. Reading is a wonderful way to escape from the stresses of daily life and immerse yourself in different worlds. Here's why reading is an anxiety-friendly hobby. 1. Distraction. Getting lost in a good book can take your mind off worries and provide a mental break. 2. Relaxation. Reading can slow your heart rate and relax your muscles, reducing stress levels. 3. Learning. Books on mindfulness, self-help, and personal growth can provide valuable insights and coping strategies. Create a cozy reading nook in your home and dedicate some time each day to reading. Whether it's fiction or non-fiction, let books become your sanctuary from anxiety. Joining a book club can also enhance your reading experience and provide social interaction. 4. Cooking and baking. Nourish your body and mind. Cooking and baking can be therapeutic activities that engage your senses and creativity. Here's how they help with anxiety. 1. Mindfulness. Following a recipe requires focus and attention to detail, which can keep anxious thoughts at bay. 2. Accomplishment. Preparing a meal or baking a treat provides a sense of achievement and satisfaction. 3. Healthy eating. Cooking your own meals allows you to make healthier choices, which can positively impact your mood and overall well-being. Start with simple recipes and gradually try more complex dishes. Enjoy the process and savor the results of your hard work. Cooking and baking can become a joyful part of your routine. Consider cooking with friends or family to make the experience even more enjoyable. 5. Yoga and meditation. Find inner peace. Yoga and meditation are well known for their mental health benefits. They can help you achieve a state of calm and balance. Here's why they are perfect for anxiety. 1. Breathing. Yoga and meditation emphasize deep, mindful breathing, which can calm the nervous system and reduce anxiety. 2. Physical activity. Yoga combines physical movement with mindfulness, improving both physical and mental health. 3. Presence. Meditation teaches you to stay present and avoid getting caught up in anxious thoughts. Incorporate yoga and meditation into your daily routine. Even just a few minutes a day can make a significant difference in how you feel. Find a quiet space, use guided videos or apps, and let these practices bring peace to your life. Joining a local yoga class can also provide additional structure and support. 6. Hiking. Connect with nature. Hiking is a fantastic way to combine physical activity with the calming effects of nature. Here's why hiking is beneficial for anxiety. 1. Exercise. Physical activity releases endorphins, which can improve your mood and reduce anxiety. 2. Nature. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress and promote mental well-being. 3. Disconnection. Hiking allows you to disconnect from technology and everyday stressors, providing a mental reset. Find local trails and start with shorter hikes. Gradually, you can explore more challenging trails. Enjoy the beauty of nature and the tranquility it offers. Consider hiking with friends or joining a hiking group for additional companionship and motivation. 7. Music. Create and listen. Music has a profound impact on our emotions and can be a powerful tool for managing anxiety. Here's how to incorporate music into your life. 1. Playing instruments. Learning to play an instrument can be a rewarding and absorbing hobby that distracts from anxious thoughts. 2. Singing. Singing, whether alone or with a group, can elevate your mood and reduce stress. 3. Listening. Curate playlists of your favorite calming or uplifting songs. Listening to music can instantly change your mood. Dedicate time each day to engage with music in whatever form you enjoy most. Let the rhythms and melodies soothe your mind and uplift your spirit. Consider joining a local choir or music group to share your passion with others. 8. Writing. Pen your thoughts. Writing can be a therapeutic way to process and release anxious thoughts. Here's why writing is an effective hobby for anxiety. 1. Journaling. Keeping a journal allows you to express your feelings and gain perspective on your worries. 2. Creative writing. Writing stories, poems, or essays can be a creative outlet that distracts and entertains. 3. Gratitude lists. Writing down things you're grateful for can shift your focus from anxiety to positivity. Set aside time each day to write. Whether it's a few sentences or several pages, let writing become a habit that helps you manage your anxiety. Consider joining a writing group or workshop to improve your skills and connect with fellow writers. 9. Photography. Capture beauty. Photography is a mindful hobby that encourages you to see the world from a different perspective. Here's how photography can help with anxiety. 1. Focus. Looking for interesting subjects and framing shots requires concentration, which can distract from anxious thoughts. 2. Creativity. Photography allows you to express your creativity and capture moments of beauty. 3. Mindfulness. Being present in the moment to take photos can promote mindfulness and reduce stress. Start with your smartphone or invest in a camera. Explore your surroundings and find joy in capturing the beauty around you. Consider joining a photography club or sharing your photos on social media to connect with other enthusiasts. 10. Volunteering. Give back. Helping others can provide a sense of purpose and improve your mental health. Here's why volunteering is beneficial for anxiety. 1. Connection. Volunteering connects you with others and reduces feelings of isolation. 2. Purpose. Helping those in need can give you a sense of fulfillment and reduce anxiety. 3. Distraction. Focusing on others can take your mind off your own worries and provide a positive distraction. Find local organizations or causes that resonate with you. Dedicate some time each week to volunteering and experience the rewards of giving back. Volunteering can also introduce you to new people and experiences, broadening your perspective and enriching your life. 11. Puzzle solving. Engage your mind. Solving puzzles like crosswords, Sudoku, or jigsaw puzzles can be a great way to engage your mind and reduce anxiety. Here's how puzzles help. 1. Focus. Puzzles require concentration and problem solving, which can distract you from anxious thoughts. 2. Accomplishment. Completing a puzzle provides a sense of achievement and boosts confidence. 3. Relaxation. The repetitive nature of puzzle solving can be soothing and meditative. Set aside some time each day for puzzle solving. It's a fun and challenging way to keep your mind sharp and anxiety at bay. Consider joining a puzzle club or participating in online puzzle communities for additional engagement. With these anxiety-friendly hobbies, you'll be equipped to manage stress and find joy in everyday activities. Remember, the key is to find what works for you and make it a regular part of your life. Let's embrace these hobbies and transform our anxiety into a source of positive energy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life.